Use appropriate fixings to fix track mount to stud work. Ensure 82 mm and 38 mm gaps between aluminium track and structural opening to allow installation of trolley assemblies. Use appropriate fixings to fix sole plate to the floor. Top Z section must be on the outside of the lower Z section. Pilot through Z sections where they overlap. Use appropriate fixings to fix metal floor guide to the floor. Use appropriate fixings to fix closing jamb to stud work. Ensure door is installed securely, running free and without obstruction. Position end stops and fix into required position before installing and tensioning the spring. Pilot through the plaster board where screwing into Z section.